Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magagandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Ito yung tinatawag na Wan Ye Jiao ng China guys, at ito rin yung kanyang history. The Chinese yuan is the latest currency in a very colorful history. China was one of the first nation on the earth to create currency to take the place of barter. The first coins made from bronze and cast into molds were made around the 4th century BC in central China. The coins had a round hole in the middle so that they could be kept on strings. Nearly a century later, the first emperor of China, Shi Huangdi, changed that to a square hole. The design did not change for the next 2000 years. Before the yuan, China experimented with paper money around 910 AD during the Five Dynasties period. The famous explorer Marco Polo marveled at the paper currency, stating that the emperor could print enough money to buy all the goods in the world at no cost to himself. Paper money was also used at Sichuan, an area that experienced frequent copper shortage, and reverted to the currency based on iron. Much later, in 1889, the yuan was introduced, a silver coin derived from the Spanish dollar, peso. The peso had been widely calculated in the Southeast Asia since the 1600s. Because of the Spanish presence in nearby Guam and the Philippines, the yuan replaced copper, cast, and silver ingots called saisis. Around the same time, yuan was also issued in banknotes. In 1903, the government started issuing other coins in the yuan currency system. These were brass 1 cast copper coins in the denomination of 2, 5, 10, and 20. The silver coins of the silver coins in 1, 2, and 5 cast, the sizes of the coins and metals used did not change after the revolution, but stayed that the same until the 1930s, when nickel and aluminum coins were introduced. The modern Chinese yuan is also called the renminbi, RMB, which translates as the people's currency. It was first issued by the Chinese Communist Party, People's Bank of the China, in December of 1948. At the time, China was involved in the civil war between the Communist Party and the Nationalists. At the close of the conflict, the Communists won the mainland and had to address the high inflation. The country's economy was saddled with those 1955, and the second series of yuan was issued that replaced the old yuan at the rate of 10,000 old yuan to 1 new yuan. The economy was stabilized and the countries entered the new age with high hopes. So, ito yung tinatawag na one jiao coins ng China guys. Tinatawag magnetic ito guys. At ito yung kanyang picture guys. Issuer niya, People's Republic of China. May period siya, People's Republic 1949 ang kanyang date. Type niya is standard circulation coin. Value 1 jiao. So sa Pilipinas guys, 0.79 centavos. Currency second renminbi, 1955 ang date. Kanyang composition is stainless steel. May timbang siya na 3.2 grams. May diameter na 19 mm. Thickness niya is 1.5 mm. Ang shape is round. At ang technique is mild. Orientation, middle alignment. Ang number, A number 1223. May reference number na KM 1210B. Show number 1103A. Y number 1068B. Ito yung obverse niya guys. Ang Orchids Blossom and People's Bank of China in Pinyin above. May lettering siya na Zhongguo Renmin Yenhang. At ito rin yung reverse guys. The issuing authority above the value in Chinese and Pinyin. Lettering 1Ye Jiao 2015. May siya na smooth. Comment siya dito previously Y10 number 1068B. So ang kanyang 2015 guys, meron na siyang 10%. At ang kanyang uncirculated is 15 pesos. Galing yan sa enomista.com guys. Ang kanyang ating nakuha na impormasyon. So galing din sa EB guys. Binibenta ito ng 190 US dollars guys. So yun ang nakuha nating impormasyon guys dito sa 1 Ye Jiao ng China at ang kanyang history. So sa atin ito guys is 0.79 centavos. So nabinta rin ito sa EB ng 190 US dollars. So hanggang dito lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood at huwag kalimutan mag-like, shares, comments, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos tungkol sa mga barya. God bless sa ating lahat.